Let's learn how to draw a cute banana. We start by making a curved line to make a banana shape. We make it into 3 bananas. Nice! Next, let's fill the color of the banana with yellow. Color slowly and carefully. Good. Then we will make a small shadow for the banana. Use brown color for the shadow, then green for the stem. And we're going to add white to the lighting. Let's shade the color to make the color softer. Great! How about we add some green to the stem? It will look nicer. Final step, let's make the outline darker and make it softer. Congratulations! Thank you!